Flames coming out of these things. Releases the manifold pressure.
Okay. So the wastegate controls how much pressure is going
into the turbo.
Into the turbo. Okay.
And out of the turbo, yeah.
And that has like a spring in there or something like that that you tighten and loosen or for more and less air.
Looks like almost like an intake valve.
Gotcha.
You know, and it opens up and blows it right out.
There's so many parts to a turbo setup, you know.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool because a supercharger, it's all built into
the intake manifold.
Yeah, and you can't really see how the pieces are working together. But this looks great. Will flames really will flow out of that?
When you stop this thing, there's gonna be some glowing light from the bottom for sure.
That's sick. Now with this setup, if I kept my cats, would that have been an issue?
Yeah, you don't really want to keep the cats.
It's too much air, right? Flowing?
Yeah, it's just gonna hold back the air. You don't want that.
So I had high flow cats with the long tube headers, and with this setup, I would have been robbing myself of a lot of power, correct? Yeah. Because when I was NA, I don't think it was enough power to really rob myself, right? Of airflow?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
No.
That looks good.